Okay, everyone, we're jamming over here today. You might can hear the music playing in the background. So today, from the cookbook, Clean Paleo One Pot Meals, I am making chicken zoodle soup. And I'm really excited about it because there are a few things with this soup that I haven't done before, which is cooking the chicken in the stock. I've usually cooked the chicken beforehand, so I'm excited to try it that way. And I've also never added zoodles to my chicken soup. So we'll see how it goes. So far, I have this going and it's looking amazing. Yum. Okay, pretty much everything is in the pot, and I realized that I forgot to get parsley or cilantro, so I just put some oregano in there. Wish I would have gotten the parsley, but that is okay. The zoodles I will add when right before I'm gonna serve it. So I'm making this ahead of time by several hours. So once I'm ready to serve it, then I will add the zoodles so that they don't become too mushy. And I'll show you what zoodles I'm adding. So these are the zoodles that I'm adding. They're from Trader Joe's. It's just a box of frozen zucchini spirals. I chose these because I don't have something to spiral zucchini. So that's why I chose these. And they are most likely a little bit thinner than what you would make. So because they're thinner, I'm gonna definitely wait to add them until right before we eat, just so that they don't become too mushy. So yeah. Yum. Finished product right here, and it is delicious. We'll do this again for sure.